Welcome to YCAD Wonders. This is Ganesh from Bangalore. Okay, having seen the basics of algebraic expressions and exponents, it's time to have a discussion on polynomials. In fact, polynomial is an expression. Okay, but all expressions need not be polynomials. See, for example, x square by y is an expression. Okay, but not a polynomial. Because x square by y can be written as because x square into 1 by y, and 1 by y can be written as y power minus 1, correct. And see here, power of x is 2, but power of y is minus 1. So in a polynomial, the power of all variables should be whole numbers, but minus 1 is not a whole number, therefore this is not a polynomial. Similarly, power of the variable cannot be a fraction, because as I said, it has to be a whole number. So even for example, x square or x y power 1 by 3 is not a polynomial. And it can have one or a polynomial can have one or more terms, and terms are separated by plus or minus. For example, 2x plus y minus 3. So this is a polynomial with 3 terms. Okay, 2x, this is one term, y is another term, and minus 3 is a third term. So terms, so how to identify terms? So terms are separated by the sign plus or minus. Okay, so this is see, there's a plus here, the minus here. So this is one term, this is next term, this is one. So there are 3 terms here. There are 2 separations, correct. So this has 3 terms. And 2xy, so this is a single term, so it has only one term. Uh, 2xy plus 5, so it has 2 terms. Say this is say there is a plus sign that separates these two. So this is one term, this is the other term. There are two terms. And if it is having one term, then it's called a monomial. Two terms. So this polynomial is called binomial. This trinomial, and so on. Okay, let's take say another monomial, say 3x square y. So for this one, how many? So is this a monomial, and there is something called coefficient. COEFF5CIENT coefficient. Okay. So so you should know what is the coefficient of so in this say in 3x square y. So in this one, the coefficient of y is 3x square. See, other than y, leave y. So what is left out? 3x square. So that's the coefficient of y. Similarly, coefficient of x square is 3y. So otherwise, so other way of finding the coefficient is suppose one coefficient of y is y. So in this 3x square y. So divide 3x square y by y. When you divide 3x square by y, y gets cancelled. So you will be left with 3x square, so which is the coefficient of y. Similarly, to find the coefficient of x square, divide this by x square. Say 3x square y by x square. So x square gets cancelled. So we have 3y. So that is the coefficient of x square. Similarly, coefficient of x, coefficient of x is, so divide 3x square by 3x square y by x, then you will be left with 3xy. So this is the coefficient of x. Okay, and so on. So 3, okay, let's take the same 3x square y. There is something called literal coefficient. So literal coefficient means only the literal part, that is letter part, that means variable part. So literal coefficient, so in 3x square y, literal coefficient is x square y. Okay, let's take this with this minus sign. So still literal quotient is x square y. Literal quotient has no sign. Okay. The numeric quotient. numeric quotient is only number part, that is constant part. So numeric quotient is minus 3. Here you need to take care of sign also. So numeric quotient is minus 3. Literal quotient is x square y. Then there is something called degree. Okay, degree of minus 3x square y. So to find the degree, okay, we need to add the powers of all variables. So here y power of x is 2, power of y is 1, because if there is no power given, that means power is 1. So degree is equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Suppose what's the degree of xy? So degree of xy is, say, 1 plus 1 2, because x means x power 1, y is y power 1, so 1 plus 1 2. So just like based on the number of terms, polynomials are classified as monomial, binomial, trinomial. So based on the degree, so polynomials are classified as monomial, binomial, they classified as linear, quadratic, and cubic. Okay, before that, suppose here it has only one term, monomial. Suppose it has suppose let's consider a polynomial with two terms. Let's say minus 3x square y plus say 5x, or plus say the constant term, say plus 5, just 5. So here it has two terms. This polynomial has two terms. See, first term is minus 3x square y and the second term is 5. And second term is, actually it has no variable but only number, constant. So 5 is called a constant term. Okay, so in this case constant term of this polynomial is 5. So 5 is a constant term, and the degree of constant term is 0. Okay, so now okay, suppose they will take three terms, 3x square y plus say 7 y minus 5. So here constant term is minus 5. Okay, so in this case degree of see first term, it has three terms. Degree of first term is 1 plus 2 plus 1 3. So degree of or say if you consider degree, so degree of the first term is 2 plus 1 3. Degree of the second term is, see what is the variable y, so power is 1, so degree is 1, and degree of constant term, as I said, is 0. Okay, what is the degree of this given polynomial, entire polynomial? So degree of a given polynomial, doesn't matter how many terms it has. So you find the degree of each term and pick up the highest one. So that's the degree of the polynomial. So here there are three terms. So the degrees are 3, 1 and 0. Which is highest one? 3. So therefore degree of this polynomial, so this is a polynomial with three terms. Degree of this polynomial is 3. So how to find the degree of a polynomial? You so determine the degree of each term, and the highest they pick up the highest one, so that's the degree of the polynomial. Okay, now based on the degree, so how let's see how the polynomials are classified. So if the degree is 1, then that polynomial is called linear polynomial. Okay, degree 2, then that is called quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. Degree 3, the degree is 3, the polynomial is called cubic polynomial. So what is this polynomial? Okay, this polynomial, what is the polynomial? Minus 3x square y. So degree is 3, so it is a cubic polynomial. So this is a cubic and it has how many variables? 2 variables. So this is a cubic polynomial in 2 variables. Okay. See, these are the components or parameters of the polynomial. Okay, one should know. Okay, just to summarize, let's take a polynomial, say 3x square y minus okay 5xy plus x square minus 4. Okay. So how many terms this polynomial has? So number of terms 4. Correct. So this is 1, 3x square y minus 5xy second term, x square third term, minus 4 fourth term. So number of terms is 4. Okay. So coefficient of so x in second term. What is second term? Minus 5xy. What is the coefficient of x in this? So it's minus 5y, isn't it? So what is the constant term in this polynomial? It's minus 4. What is the literal coefficient of second term? So literal coefficient of second term is, so what is the variable part, right? So xy. So numeric so numeric coefficient of second term is minus 5, not 5, it's minus 5. Okay, we need to take care of signs, but literal coefficient has no sign. So this is numeric coefficient is minus 5. Okay, what is the degree of second term? 1 plus 1, 2. What is the degree of the polynomial? For that we need to find degree of each term. See, for the first term, degree is what? 2 plus 1 3, second term 1 plus 1 2, third term again 2 because power of x is 2, fourth term degree is 0. So, highest is 3. So, degree of this polynomial is equal to 3. That means it is a also called, we can call this polynomial cubic polynomial. Hope it is clear. Let us see more in our next video. Thank you.